Hi everyone, this is Mubin again. So when I posted the last video of how I got the PRTD in 5 days, there was so much of questions posted in the comments. What are the documents I submitted? What are the checklist? What are the forms? Can you show me some of the sample documents? Yes. So I thought of doing another video which is exclusively going to explain the what is a PRTD email process. Only email process. In this video I'm going to show you the real documents which I share with IRCC, and what are the emails I received from them, and what are the conditions they have said, and what is that passport letter contains, what are things you have to do in the VFS side. So everything I'm going to explain, so don't skip the video, and this is exclusive for the PRTD email process. Here we go. Here is the PRTD checklist you have to prepare. The first one is the payment receipt, which you would pay from the PR portal. I given the PR portal link in the video description, so you make the payment, keep it ready. And next is the application form is IMM 5444. Again I'm saying it's IMM 5444. It's a straightforward application. You can fill your personal details and keep it ready. Document checklist, which they given in the IRCC site for the PRTD. Digital picture, it's optional because it's not asked in the PR portal. Also just keep it optional, since other guy followed. I also send it. There is no harm in sending anything extra. Then COPR, you have it, which ensure that it's signed on the bottom. Passport, make sure that you scan all the pages in the passport. I think 36 pages of it. Scan all the pages. A letter of explanation is some of the key thing which help you to help the health officer to take the decision whether you need it immediately or not. So prepare a letter of explanation, keep it ready. I will show the sample in the video. And any appointment proof you have, like a medical appointment, doctor appointment, school admission, anything if you have handy, that would be helpful. So just these are documents you have to prepare. Now let me show you how to make a payment. Go to the PR portal link which I given in the video description. Click the start permanent resident process. After that, the next page, you choose the I am outside Canada. Okay, ensure that you choose I am outside Canada. Then checkbox that I have read the documents. Then apply for PRTD. The next page, you have to fill all your personal details and documents to upload. Then you'll get the payment page. Once you make the payment, it's a $50 Canadian dollars. You can see here. And so I just mask the private details, the credit card number, everything for you. So once you make the payment, you'll get a receipt like this. This is the payment receipt. Okay, just make note of the receipt number on the top. You have to mention it in the email. Now this is the letter of explanation everyone asked in the my YouTube other video. So I have given my what I really sent it, but some of the private information I don't want to show. So that's the reason I have masked some of the details. So this is the format. Put the letter of explanation, you put the applicant name, date of birth, UC number. You can find it from your COPR application. Then application number, you can again see it from the COPR. So just fill out the application information and just ensure that just try to give the right information to the officer, so the officer can take a decision whether you really need it or not. This is one of the key thing. Once you prepare, just keep it ready. Now this is the email I sent to PRTD, I mean the IRCC officer. So you can see I sent to the email IRCC COVIDPRTD, etc. So I sent on September 2. You can see that time chart and the timeline. You can see September 2, and I provide these reason. I attach all the documents which I mentioned in this document has a format: first name, last name, what document you are sending. So you have to attach everything in a single email. And once you send it, like I got a acknowledgement in another 4 days. This is the acknowledgement I received. You will have this email acknowledgement I've received PRTD, and they will give the all the instructions how to fill the email. I mean how to fill the email process. You can verify. This is the information it contains. What is the instruction guide, document checklist, what if you use a representative, what you have to do if you if your card was stolen, lost or stolen, what to do, and make the payment PRTD. One of the key thing is about the PDF. Yeah, PDF, many people ask, is really 5 MB? Yes, it's given in the IRCC email itself. It should not exceed 5 MB. In case if it exceeded, you can go to the smallpdf.com, which I given in the description. You can go to the website, you can compress it and send it again. Even I had the same experience. You can see here. So I resent one of the document which exceeded the 5 MB. I resent the document to them. Then as soon as I sent it, I got a passport request on the September 8. Sent on September 2. I got the passport on September 8. Within the 4 to 5 days, I got the PPR request, and they sent a letter. What the letter contains inside? This is what they mentioned. So they have mentioned this is the letter. You have to take action immediately, and which means about the VFS appointment. So you can go for VFS pickup option, or you can go to the in-office submission. So you have to submit that option in the myoot.com. You can see from here, and you have to attach this letter, this passport request letter, along with that your application. So we chose that in office. Then we went to the VFS office. We submitted all the applications, passports and the letter, everything, and we got that once you book the appointment. So this is the appointment. We got it in 4 days. As soon as we submitted, we got the passport back in almost 5 days. We got it stamped and it's everything ready. This is the end-to-end process for the email. So if you have any doubt, just leave a comment on this section. I'll definitely answer whenever I get a time, but I'll try my best to help each other. Wish you good luck. Anything you want to convey, or you want to say anything you want to ask, please put it in the comment. Thank you so much.